In this video, we are going to review and see if the dollar hood is legitimate or is it just a scam. So make sure that before you start with the video, this is not a financial advice. If you're going to invest in the crypto, make sure you done your own research over it and don't totally depend it on this video. So I'm just going here for the educational purposes. So the dollar hood is not linked with the Robinhood. Robinhood is a cryptocurrency that claims association with the popular trading platforms Robinhood. However, it is not officially product of Robinhood. Dollarhood is not an official product of Robinhood, raising concerns about its legitimacy. So we're going to talk about some pros. So the use of Robinhood name may attract attention due to the platform's popularity. Some investors might see it is a high risk, high reward opportunity, as you know that Robinhood is a very trusted entity in the crypto world, but the Dollarhood is just using its name to gain popularity and gain interest from the investors. So the cons are lack of official backing. Robinhood has not endorsed or launched a Dollarhood, making it a potential scam or fraudulent project. High risk means that unverified tokens like Dollarhood are often associated with pumps and dump schemes or rug pulls, so there are no transparency. Details about the development team, use case, or technology are often unclear or missing, which raise concerns about its authenticity. So the verdict is the Dollarhood appears to be an unofficial, potentially fraudulent token. Investors should avoid it and stick to the verified cryptocurrencies and trusted platforms. Always conduct thorough research and rely on official sources before investing in any crypto asset. So my verdict is I'm rating it 1 out of 10, high risk, unverified, and likely a scam. So be careful about it. This is me signing off. Take care. Bye bye.